Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about how to find area of a circle in Python. So to find out area of a circle we have to use this formula, which is A equals to pi r square. R is for radius and A is for area. So how we are going to implement this in Python. So first we have to import a package. Okay, first we have to install the package and then import it to our Jupyter notebook. So I already installed the package, which is math. So I'm just going to import it, and then I am going to make a new variable. Or first we can make a variable of radius, and here I'm going to write the value, okay, 0.43, and then I'm going to make a new variable for area, which is A, and then we are using the math.py. Math is the function name, math is the package name, and py is a is function which is for this one, this py. And then we're going to multiply it with radius r, and with then we are going to take exponential, so static 2. Now we are going to print it, so I'm using a print function. And here, oh sorry, here we are going to make a statement area and plus str. Okay, so I'm basically converting the values into string, and then click on, then run the code. So here we go, we get the value 0.580880. Okay, so in this way you can find area of a circle in Python. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.